dribble sa ball. Wala pa ko yung shot. Dribble sa ball. Dribble, wala pa. Wala pa. Wala pa ko yung dili mo hawa sa imong kuan. Ayaw sa gawa. Dribble pa ba? Dribble pa? Okay, balik ka na bawal ang baso. Wait, ronda sa inyo. Okay, dito na sayangan ng oras. Number 1, dribble the ball. Dribble the ball, pass to number 2. Number 2, dribble the ball, exhibition, exhibition. Pass to number 5. Number 5, dribble the ball. Pass to number 4. Number 4, dribble the ball. And shoot the ball! Okay, 1 point ang number, ang group 1. Kaya ang sa group 2, ang yung baso na tumba. Yung group 2 na ulahi higit sa dagan. Okay, 1 point. Pag 3 points, magkaroon 3 points na ng group 1, sila ang daog. Okay. Patindugon ang kwan. Bakit takingon, maski pag kamuuna nakabutang dito, pero natumba yung baso, sinigapon na po ang winner. Okay, start. Number 1, dribble the ball. Dribble the ball, dribble the ball. Pass to number 5. Number 5, dribble the ball. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 2. Number 2, dribble the ball. Pass to number 3. Number 3, exhibition, exhibition. Pass to number 4. Number 4, dribble the ball. Pass to number 1. Number 1, shoot the ball! Okay, ang group 3 ang lidog. Kaya na niyabot. Okay. So 1.1. Habol pa ang group 2. Pwede pa kayo. Okay. Ang mga baso. Yun, exercise mo siya. Pampareduce. Okay. Dribble the ball. Number 1, dribble the ball. Number 1, dribble the ball. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Shoot the ball! Okay, una ang group 1. Una ang group.